Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the RJGUDDU TYA 6195 makeup kit, a 20-piece set that's got everything you need for a full glam look, all in one amazing package, perfect for girls and women of all ages. Let's dive into this beauty haul and see what it's all about. First up, the packaging. It's sleek and practical, making it a great gift or travel companion. Inside we've got 5 pink makeup brushes. They're soft, cute, and perfect for applying everything in this kit. I used the fluffy one for powder and the smaller ones for eyeshadow. No shedding and they blend so smoothly. Next, the eyeshadow palette. It's got 24 shades from mattes to shimmers, plus 3 blushers and 2 compacts. I swatched a few and the pigmentation is decent, a bit powdery but buildable for everyday or bold looks. The 3-in-1 eye combo is a star, eyeliner, mascara, and brow gel in one. I tried it and the black is bold, making my eyes pop with just a few swipes. The 36H eyeliner is sharp and waterproof. I drew a wing and it stayed put all day. The kajal is jet black and creamy. I lined my waterline and no smudging. Love that intensity. Then the lipstick, a creamy shade that lasts hours. I wore it and it's comfy and vibrant. The foundation blends out with good coverage. I used one of the 3 makeup puffs and it's lightweight yet effective. The primer smooths my skin. The contour stick sculpts my cheeks effortlessly. The compact sets everything matte. The fixer spray locks it in. I tested it and my look stayed fresh and waterproof. This kit is a steal for beginners or anyone wanting an affordable all-in-one. It's not luxury, but for the price it's fantastic. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look with this set. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this RJGUDDU kit or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.